move into our two-move form, which is our grasping the bird's tail and moving into our golden rooster stands on one leg. And as we move into that, in that golden rooster, you have an issue with that standing on that one leg. You just shift that weight over to that side or just kind of stand on that tiptoe. Just make sure you stay within your balance, stay within your practice here, okay? Since we start out, as always, our wushu salute. With the hand, the right hand covered the left, and right hand showing our willingness to fight, that left hand showing our ability to control. You give that slight bow, keeping your eyes to your partner. And as you bring that body up nice and tall, taking a good breath in. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You're going to unload that left foot here and just kind of step that out. As you bring those arms up, shoulder level, floor nose forward. So you reach forward here, just bending at the elbows, allowing those wrists to follow. We're just going to push that log down into the water, or allowing the sun to set. We'll grab that energy ball here on the left. So we'll be calling in reverse. Moving that right hand up, following with the left. And we'll turn that over, pulling that back down to that left hip. That left hand's going to go back. It's going to push that right hand forward. Always keeping a little bend in those knees. As those hands go forward, they're going to separate naturally. So you just pull that back to the top of the chest. As you pull that back, we're going to slide that down the chest. A little bend in the knees, and we're going to push upward at about a 45-degree angle. And grasp the bird's tail on that right side, and we're going to float those arms over to the right. Hug that tree here with that left arm coming just under the belly button of that palm, facing the body. And right behind that arm, as that arm passes, drop that down. That leg becomes attached. Coming up for that golden rooster. Stands on one leg. Now we'll switch that over. Now that left hand is going to be the bottom. We grab that energy ball here on the right. Following that up the hill. Turning that over. Pushing that forward. Exact same thing as those hands separate. Bringing that to the top of the chest. Big breath in, push that out. Floating that, those arms, hug that tree. Just under the belly button. Raise that leg. Now we just continue that motion. Nice and easy, nice and slow. As we become a little familiar. Tai Chi, that familiarity brings benefits. Whichever way you grasp that bird's tail, that's the way we're going to float for that golden rooster. Breath nice and easy. Just finding your flow. Arm facing the body. Raising that foot. side version, just gonna bring that tiptoe up. Sideways, you see a little bit of a different angle. Just continue that flow nice and easy. Get that down. Push that up. Nice and slow. If you get out of sync, that's quite all right. As we finish this golden rooster, we're going to go into our closing form. Bring his feet back down, hands to the side. Raise those hands up, palms facing the ground. Hands are going to go all the way up as we raise up heaven. Our hands come to the pinnacle. Bring those feet together. Palms facing the ground, coming right down in front of the body. Push down on her. Hands go all the way down back to the sides. As we end the Rooster salute and bow. Thank you for our practice today. Hope that helps. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time. Thank you for allowing me into your Tai Chi space. May you find poetry in everything that you see. Remember that Tai Chi is our meditation in motion. Benefits come with familiarity. We practice, the more you get. So, practice.